Are Toyota Highlander wheel spacers good or bad? Quality Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The Toyota Highlander wheel spacer can be installed as aftermarket part between the wheel hub assembly and wheels. High-quality Toyota Highlander wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Toyota Highlander wheel spacer offer easy and quick position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The legs of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Installing Toyota Highlander wheel spacer is a great way to fix one offset rubbing problems that install between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increase in the wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brakes and wheel options. These Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rings and wider tires from rubbing against the suspension component. There are performance benefits to upgrading with Toyota Highlander wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the Toyota Highlander wheel spacers provide a sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS after-cooling Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty, any kind of 4x4 event. These Toyota Highlander wheel spacers have high frame requirements. In addition, BONOSS after-cooling Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. To ensure a strong wheel spacer hub connection, BONOSS after-cooling Toyota Highlander wheel spacers feature ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs, as well as ISO grade 10 nut. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and TV certification report. In addition, BONOSS after-cooling Toyota Highlander wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. Such BONOSS after-cooling Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are truly a good option for your driving needs.